Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable designing data visuals with Flourish, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using Flourish for designing data visuals, first, visit the Flourish website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in to your Flourish account. Once logged in, you will see the Flourish dashboard. Click on the New Visualization button to start a new project. You will be presented with various templates. Choose a template that suits your data visualization needs. Click on the selected template to open the editing interface. In the editor, you will find options to upload your data. Prepare your data in a compatible format, such as CSV or Excel. Drag and drop your prepared file into the designated area. Once your data is uploaded, you will see it populate in the editor. Next, customize the visual by modifying the settings in the sidebar. You can change elements such as colors, fonts, and styles to match your branding. Add titles and labels to enhance the clarity of your chart. Explore the preview option to see how your visual looks in real time. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the overall design. When you are satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button. This will generate a unique link to your visualization. You can also export your visual as an image or embed it in your website. Additionally, consider sharing your visualization on social media for broader reach. Repeat these steps to create more visuals as needed. With Flourish, you can create stunning data visuals with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.